9 inches. That is a touchscreen, and it means your passenger can watch YouTube or play around with radio stations while you're driving along. A little more complicated. So this still sits above the Q3 and below the Q7. Now let's start with where the Q5 slots into Audi's
grille that opens and closes when it needs to breathe, blue colored brake calipers, set to polarize the design of this one because the grille is the right size and it also illuminates at night.
They say luxury cars turn into money pits once their warranty ends. But what if I told you there are 9 hidden gems that completely shatter this myth? These cars aren't just reliable, they're investments with a premium ride and lasting power. Stick around to find out why these vehicles are redefining what luxury really means long after the warranty expires. Number 1, BMW 340 i/440i. BMW has long been known for crafting cars that feel incredible to drive, but many buyers hesitate, worried about costly repairs. That brings us to the 340ei and 440i, two models that break free from this stereotype, largely thanks to their B58 engine. Now, this isn't just another BMW engine. It's so respected that even Toyota chose it for its legendary Supra. That decision alone says a lot. The B58's closed-deck design ensures exceptional strength, while its advanced cooling system helps it endure high stress without overheating. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, an achievement uncommon for most luxury vehicles. It's no wonder these cars have developed a loyal following among enthusiasts who crave both performance and peace of mind. Together, they redefine what luxury ownership truly means. Speaking of redefining, let's look next at luxury built for all-weather reliability. Number 2, Audi Q5. Luxury SUVs often come with a reputation for high upkeep, but the Audi Q5 challenges that notion. At the heart of this mid-sized luxury SUV is the supercharged 3.0 V6 engine, a powerhouse known for its balance of performance and reliability. Paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, it offers not only superb control in all-weather conditions, but also an impressive lifespan. Many Q5 owners report hitting mileage of 300,000 with only routine maintenance, an achievement few SUVs can claim. The engine's advanced design, coupled with the robust Quattro system, ensures durability whether you're navigating snow-covered mountain roads or cruising highways. Add to this the comfort and tech-packed cabin Audi is known for, and the Q5 becomes a smart choice for families or adventurers alike. Now, what about thrill seekers craving luxury sedans? Let's talk. Number 3, Audi S4. What if a luxury sports sedan could deliver heart-pounding speed without draining your wallet on repairs? That's the Audi S4 for you. At the core of this powerhouse is its supercharged V6 engine, coupled with a DSG transmission, a combination praised for its durability. These aren't just fancy components, they're engineered to last. Audi's dual-clutch gearbox offers seamless shifts with impressive longevity, while the supercharged V6 doesn't just provide power, it provides reliable power. The S4 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, but what really sets it apart is its ability to consistently hit 200,000 miles with proper care. Many owners praise its lower than expected repair costs compared to similarly priced rivals, proving you don't have to trade reliability for speed. So, how about luxury that's effortlessly dependable? Let's explore. Number 4, Lexus RX350. Luxury and reliability, two concepts that often feel worlds apart, but the Lexus RX350 proves they can coexist effortlessly. Its secret? The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine. With a simple yet highly refined design, this engine is built to run smoothly for decades. No turbochargers, no unnecessary complexity, just time-tested engineering that minimizes wear and tear. Owners often report pushing their RX350 well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and scheduled maintenance. It's not just anecdotal. Lexus vehicles consistently rank at the top for dependability across multiple studies. This makes the RX350 particularly appealing for families and professionals who value peace of mind alongside premium comfort. Ultimately, the RX350 is the perfect set-it-and-forget-it luxury vehicle, offering high-end features without the typical headaches of luxury ownership. Number 5. BMW X5. The BMW X5 isn't typically recognized for reliability, but the models fitted with the B58 engine are changing perceptions fast. Known for its closed deck design and efficient cooling system, this engine delivers both strength and long-term dependability, qualities that make it a standout among luxury SUVs. Simply put, it's the game changer in BMW's lineup, proving that performance doesn't always come at the cost of reliability. Consumer Reports has even ranked the X5 as one of the top performers in the luxury SUV category, citing its strong durability scores. Many owners consistently report reaching over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, a testament to how well engineered this powerhouse is. Whether shuttling executives in style or tackling family road trips, the X5 combines premium comfort with proven longevity. Up next, a true performance icon built to last. Number 6, Porsche 911. The Porsche 911, especially the 991 generation, is proof that high performance and reliability can go hand in hand. While many sports cars struggle to age gracefully, the 911 has built a reputation for endurance. Owners commonly report their vehicles surpassing 200,000 or even 300,000 miles while maintaining strong performance, a testament to its exceptional engineering. Unlike other luxury sports cars, the 991 generation delivers dependability alongside its razor-sharp handling and unmistakable speed. Its precision engineering reduces the likelihood of major repairs, offsetting the higher-than-average maintenance costs. This is part of why the 911 also consistently holds its value in the used market. Ultimately, the 911 isn't just a sports car, it's a legacy. Few vehicles can match its combination of longevity, power, and iconic design, making it a standout in any garage. Number 7, Porsche Cayenne. What happens when Porsche combines its signature performance with SUV practicality? You get the second-generation Cayenne, a vehicle that delivers on both power and reliability. Offered between 2011 and 2017, the 92A generation showcases two standout engines, the 3.6-liter V6 and 4.8-liter V8. These powertrains are designed not just for speed, but for longevity, helping the Cayenne build a reputation as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs. The Cayenne's versatility is another major strength. While it shines on the road with precision handling, it also boasts genuine off-road credentials, handling rugged trails with ease. Owners frequently report high-mileage vehicles requiring minimal major repairs, proving this Porsche can go the distance. For those seeking luxury coupled with durability, the Cayenne is a smart investment, and it's just the beginning of rugged refinement. Number 8, Lexus GX 460. The Lexus GX 460 is the rare luxury SUV that feels as solid as a tank, but rides like a sedan. Built with a body-on-frame design, it excels at handling harsh terrains that would challenge unibody SUVs. This construction, combined with the 4.6-liter V8 engine, makes it capable of enduring extreme stresses, whether towing heavy loads or navigating rugged off-road trails. Reliability is where the GX 460 truly shines. Owners frequently report these vehicles surpassing 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Features like crawl control and multi-terrain select enhance its versatility, giving drivers the confidence to tackle any environment. Number 9, Acura MDX. Luxury doesn't always mean flashy, and the Acura MDX proves that understated elegance can be remarkably reliable. At the heart of its long-standing reputation is its naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine. By relying on a simplified engine design without turbochargers, Acura has prioritized longevity and minimized the chance of costly repairs, making it a dependable choice over the years. Owners frequently report driving their MDX for 15 years or more. often surpassing 250,000 miles. This reliability extends beyond mileage. It also boasts strong safety ratings and lower long-term maintenance costs. Luxury cars often carry a reputation for turning into financial burdens after their warranty expires, but the truth is far more exciting. The models we've explored today prove that premium vehicles can deliver dependability alongside exceptional performance and comfort. With options like the Acura MDX and Porsche 911, you don't have to sacrifice reliability for prestige. In fact, as US News & World Report highlights, even models like the Chevrolet Corvette defy stereotypes with a reliability score of 92 out of 100. This shows that smart luxury investments are out there, waiting to be discovered. Which of these cars surprised you most? Let us know in the comments.